with the rebound and brings the ball up. Two of his teammates on the side. Shoots, don't need them.
C Division Final of the 33rd MSBL League 2025. And in the finals, it's CodeGen versus Haley's PLC. Let's see which team comes up with the win tonight. In 3.5 minutes, we will be starting the game. The starting lineup for CodeGen is Rukshan Athapattu, Umair Shirazi, Prabhashana Vijayasekara, Bino Sonnadara, and Shahrukh Mohana Sundaram. For Haley's PLC, it's Mithila Jayasinghe, Meran Pereira, Dinush Jayavira, Rusiru Kasturiarachi, and Gihan Sarinder.
I think that just about says it all. Haley's, if they are to have any chance at all, need to stop him.
A one for the books, as you see Rukshan going down the court and scoring the first points of the game.
Not size, but a lot of length on these CodeGen boys. Good rebound.
3-point barrage that he will be on for this night. Goes up for the hook shot and it's 2 points.
The number 9. Interesting bit of statistics here. The two top scorers, Dinush and Tejaka, 20.6.
As you can see, Rukshan for us in store tonight.
Yeah, first of many, I'm pretty sure. So Dinush Jayavira 20.6, Tejaka 21.6 in today's finals.
As you can see, Anushka, the ball is with Rukshan.
Yeah, coming back to Haley's PLC. Meran and Gihan. Good shot by the tall man. A very calm head under their belt, both of them. Good run.
Whereas CodeGen is going for some ad hoc shots which are out of this. And I think this proves my point.
Play about 10 years ago up to what it's now. And shoot threes as well. Otherwise, their game is pretty much incomplete. Jokic, Valanciunas for one. AD, of course, comes to mind. Couldn't finish. Up top, number 99, Dinush Jayavira. It's a very rare thing. But I think it translates a lot. A beautiful steal. 13 points to 12. Dinush Jayavira fakes, shoots, and makes it.
Rukshan with a deep 3-point which is missed on the fast break. Number 24. And he scores in his game as Haley tries to run the fast break down. Dinush, and again Dinush.
Gihan took part in a 3-on-3 wedge featured. Good move by Rukshan.
HSC Blues, where Praneeth Udumalagala scored that buzzer beater.
Yep. As CodeGen scores.
Rukshan comes down, goes for the shot, and he makes it easily.
Meran brings the ball up calmly, goes for the little floater and makes it.
Very physical, running down the court, running up the court. Tejaka with another easy basket on the fast break.
28 seconds left on the clock. Rukshan unsurprisingly takes that shot. 1 second left on the clock. Throws up a Hail Mary, couldn't get it to go. And if CodeGen can play the way that they've been doing so far. But second quarter underway. Rukshan with the ball. Steps, drives in and shoots.
Have invested and how teams take care of their players in terms of, as you can see, Rukshan.
If you take a look at rugby, it's a very team-oriented effort when it comes to their fitness. And if you look at the sports, I mean, basketball here in Sri Lanka, you mentioned that it's coming back to diet as well, while we see Rukshan going for another shot and making it. Club team Bulls, who don't drink any carbonated sodas, I mean.
How heavy they invest in terms of food.
Don't think, he's in any real danger of anything. And he knows, he's a smart guy, he knows he's not going to commit any fouls. As he should have. Uncharacteristically misses that thing, while Binoy hits a long two. So a lot of changes as Miran goes with a long three. Couldn't get it to go. Rukshan putting on the jetpack. Easy to count that.
Samir Chanaka, also known as Nigara.
Good two, good bucket.
Rukshan dribbles it down the court, spins around, finds the screen, and he scores.
Tejika goes for 2 free throws. First one is good. Takes their time, Miran. Free three-pointer. It's good.
Up his sleeve. Rukshan goes, double teamed. Goes for the Hail Mary and
Gihan with the three-point attempt. Beautiful rebound. Tejika, right place, right time. Lets the ball go. 2 seconds. That's more than enough time. Long three. Comes up short. 41 points apiece. End of the quarter. No quarter given by each team. A great quarter. A great end to this half, Leon. 41 points apiece for both teams. 10 minutes of break time right now. All putting in the hard work and effort. But new quarter, fresh legs, and 20 minutes of play to determine who will take home the championship. Leon, once this C divisions are done, we'll be moving on to, you'll get powerhouses like CDB who are currently playing right now. You got Akbar, powerhouse.
off the mic you were saying to me like you wanted to just Rukshan drives baseline, right-handed layup, and it's good. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean it's a very as well. I know
Definitely.
the man has an unlimited engine, but gets a good screen, drives in, and makes it.
Head to head against each other, and I don't see a clear winner as such, Anushka. And
Beautiful fadeaway by Lusiru. Rukshan forcing his way. Call for the travel.
And Rukshan comes up short in that opportunity. Mevan shoots it, and it's an easy bucket. 6-point lead by Haley's PLC. A person like Rukshan's shot, and he goes for the 3-point. Let's see.
Meran. Fadeaway jumper is good.
And Anushka, if C division is of this caliber, and it's another 3-point by Rukshan.
Tejika falling back, fade away, comes up with the shot. Sometimes you are not the star player but a role player. Good shot, but
Yeah.
big man.
You mentioned that you need to fit into a system. You need to, as you can see, Rukshan
Has not evolved to that point where, coaching boards are used. Beautiful tipping by Rukshan. We've had one of the coaches who used to draw up plays in a laptop. Very, very rare when it comes to a Sri Lankan coaching background. Gihan with the 3. Amazing players playing basketball right now. Beautiful pass from Miran to Tejika. Great assist there. A lot of guys in Sri Lanka who are doing a great job of improving that level. Another 3 by Rukshan. I mean, we know where the ball is going to end up. Rukshan. Time winding down. We end the quarter the same way we finished the second half.
Which team comes up on the top?
Rukshan Athapaththu for Kojen. Miran, Tejika and Dinush for Haleys. Kicks it out to Binoy. Well defended by Haleys, but taken back. Gihan with the rebound.
The pass goes to Tejika, and Tejika scores the easy, if you call it.
That was a good turnaround jumper. Spins, shoots, makes it.
I think Kochen is playing a 2-3 defense as Bino misses it and Akalanka recycles it.
Rukshan with the rebound and brings the ball up. 2 of his teammates on the side. Shoots, don't need them. Mithila to Gihan. Gihan shoots. And good! 3-pointer. Binoy back to Rukshan. Rukshan steps, spins, fade away two.
And
Wins in
it's
and
good. Kojen in the lead. Gihan shoots another three. And ladies and gentlemen, it's a 3-point barrage up in here. Rukshan goes up. And he recycles his own shot.
Gihan being blocked. Binoy 2-on-1 situation. Makes it. Great bit of play. Tejaka running the floor. There we go, Dinush.
Service the court. Rukshan gets it back. Says, feed me, I'm open. And the bank is open, ladies and gentlemen. Rukshan
Pushes it out to Mehran. Mehran to Gihan. Fakes, drives.
good pass
Good
to
pass.
Dinusha.
Great pass, low. Back to Akalanka. To Rukshan. Shoots. Makes it.
Bang.
Doesn't get it to go. I think you can call the game right now. Well,
Oh. Oh.
okay. Maybe
Wait.
not.
Hold on, Anushka. Hold on.
Weirder things have happened in this game. 2 seconds, winding down. Khalid. Two great teams playing an amazing match. And that's it. That's it for the C Division Men's Finals. Kojen comes up victorious. 80 points to 76. The score really does not do justice to the whole match. We had a tight game all throughout. Haley's PLC gave it their all. Gave Kojen a run for their money. Gave a run for their money for the leading scorer of the tournament. And there you have it. Kojen 80, Haley 76. And that is how they ended.